Welcome all of you to this video. In this video, I am going to discuss four very important question, VVI question of factorization. You observe here, very first question. Very first question I am going to discuss here. If x plus y plus z equals to 9, xy plus yz plus zx equals to 23. Find the value of x cube plus y cube minus 3xyz. I just start here. X plus y plus z equals to, given here 9, squaring both sides, we get y using identities x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus yz plus zx equals to 9 square, that is 81. So x square plus y square plus z square equals to 2 into 23. Here given here the value of x y plus yz plus zx is 23 equals to 81. So x square plus y square plus z square equals to 81 minus 46 equals to 35. Now x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xy. By using identities right here, x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Here the value of x plus y plus z is 9. X square y square plus z square equals to 35. And the value of taking common minus xy plus yz plus zx equals to 23. So finally we get 9 into 12 equals to 108. This is the first question. Now I am going to discuss the second question. If x plus 5 is a factor of px, that equals to x cube minus 20x plus 5k. Find k. Let x plus 5 equals to 0. So x equals to minus 5. Now given here px equals to x cube minus 20x plus 5k. Putting minus 5 in place of x. We get the value of x is minus 5. So here we get minus 5 whole cube plus 20 into minus 5 plus 5k. So we get 0 equals to minus 125 plus 100 minus 5 into minus 20 equals to 5k. In place subtracting we get 25 equals to 5k. In place 25 by 5 equals to k. Therefore k equals to 5. This is the answer of the second question. Now I am going to discuss the third question. Here the third question. A by b plus b by a equals to minus 1. Then a cube minus b cube equals to 5. Given a by b, b by a equals to minus 1. By solving we get LCM AB. So by dividing b we get a square plus b square equals to minus 1. In place we can write here A square plus B square equals to minus AB, or A square plus B square plus AB equals to 0. Now our question, we have to find out the value of AQ minus BQ. By using identities, we know that AQ minus BQ equals to A minus B into A square plus B square plus A equals to A minus B into 0 equals to 0, because the value of A square plus B square plus AB equals to 0. So therefore AQ minus BQ equals to 0. This is your answer. Now I am going to discuss the next question. This is also very important here. If A plus B plus C equals to 0, then A square by BC, B square by CA, C square by AB equals to what? Now A square by BC, B square by CA, C square by taking LCM we get ABC, dividing by BC we get AQ, similarly we get BQ plus CQ. Then by subtracting 3ABC and by adding 3ABC, what we get? This is an identity is AQ plus BQ plus CQ minus 3ABC. We write in place of AQ plus BQ plus CQ minus 3ABC equals to A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA plus 3ABC. Why ABC? And given here A plus B plus C equals to 0. So what we get here? 0 into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA plus 3ABC by ABC. Finally we get here 3ABC by ABC, because the value of this term, because multiply by 0 equals to 0, so only we get 3ABC. Then ABC are cancelled, so we get answer. This is your answer. Thank you, that's all.